My toddler was so excited to get this bed. We decided to upgrade him from a crib into a nice adult twin size bed. And this is so nice because the installation probably took maybe about an hour. My husband mostly did it, and I helped him a little bit. But this is really nice. So the pieces are pretty big. So they come in halves right here. So that's one whole half, and then another one right here is another half, and then you add the tires, of course, and then inside it's actually wood. So let me show you right here. So these are wood. They go across just like that. It's pretty simple. And then you just attach the fin right here in the back. So it's such a cool, nice little race car. I love how it's wood inside, and then the outside, it's like this plastic material right here. And if I can get through, there's actually lights that you turn on. So these lights right here turn on, and it's like the front of the car. So it's actually pretty cool. I don't know where the cord went, but they do light up. And this is so fun. I was looking at some other ones and trying to decide on which one to get him. Some were pretty pricey, so I didn't want to get like something super pricey, and I didn't want to get something like super cheap either. So this is like the most like cost-effective one that I found for my kid that's gonna actually last a long time. There's tires on each side too. So this side and this side, you can actually not just put the tires if you want to ride against the bed, but we just decided to do it anyways. But it's so perfect for him. It's perfect for toddlers, and I think this will last like many years. And he's a boy, he loves cars. So this is definitely one of my favorite choices that we've bought recently on Amazon. And it's really fun. If you're looking for a nice bed frame for your child, for your toddler, this is a great one that he can grow with because it fits twin size and it fits it just right. The height is not too high, so he goes in and out pretty easy. And I like how there's like these little things right here on the side. So it's not like super like a full like, like a barrier right here, but it's just like nice little thing. So it's really fun. We haven't had any issues with him falling off the bed or anything. So if you're looking for a nice fun bed frame for your child, I highly recommend picking this one up.